Hello guys, and once again welcome back to my page. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a skin lightening or a skin glowing soap. This soap you're seeing here is made for the purpose of making the skin to look beautiful because I added a lot of wonderful herbs in this soap. So if this is your first time coming to my page, please do well by following me and also share this video. Don't forget to drop your comment. You can see how beautiful this soap looks like. So I'll be teaching you guys how to make this from scratch to finish. So stay glued to your phone screen while we start. Hello guys, and welcome back to my page. So today I'll be showing you guys how I came up with this beautiful soap that you are seeing here. You see this beautiful soap here. I'll be showing you guys how I made this from scratch to finish. So you're actually going to love this video because I made it very simple and very elaborate. I showed my recipe measurement, I showed my formulation, then I'll be giving a voiceover to teach you guys about how I made this. Then I'll be advertising my class and the equipment we sell. So I am Fame Ebong, and enjoy yourself while you watch this wonderful soap making tutorial video. Let's go. So displayed here on my work table are all the materials, all the equipment and the chemicals I'll be needing to produce this skin whitening soap. So over here is the water I'll be using to dissolve the caustic soda, and I'm making use of 200 grams of water. You can use any water of your choice, be it tap water, distilled water or rainwater. You can use any water to make your soap. Just make sure the water is clean. Then over here is my caustic soda. I'm making use of 91 grams of caustic soda. Most people know that chemical as lye, L-Y-E. Depends on where you are coming from. But here in Africa, we know it as caustic soda. The white know it as lye. So it just depends on your region. So I have dissolved that chemical inside my water, and I will keep on stirring it till everything has completely dissolved. Once it has completely dissolved, I will keep it aside for it to cool down because right now the temperature is very hot. So over here are the oils we'll be using to achieve this our skin whitening soap. This is the palm kernel oil. I'm making use of 350 grams, and this is the peanut oil. I'm making use of 250 grams. This peanut oil, in most places it is called groundnut oil. Then most people call it peanut oil. It just depends on where your region, on how you pronounce or call it. So I'll be mixing both oils together inside that my jug. After I'm done mixing both oils together, I'm going to warm this oil on fire. So whenever you are making soap, you need to warm your oil. Just make sure the oil is warm and not hot. After your oil is warm, you can now proceed into the production of the soap you want to produce. But don't forget, the oil has to be warm and your caustic soda, the temperature has to cool down. Very important. So these are the herbs I'll be using. I'm making use of turmeric powder. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder into the oil. I'm adding it directly into the oil. And the next thing I'll be adding is my turmeric oil. I'm making use of 30 ml of turmeric oil. I'll pour it directly into the oil there. The next oil I'll be adding is the whitening oil. I'm making use of 30 ml of whitening oil. I'll pour it directly into the oil. So I'm going to mix them properly. As you can see, soap making is actually not difficult to make. Anybody can make soap. All you need are just the basic knowledge to know how to carry out your measurement and the directions on how to make it with the formulation. Once you know these things, you are good to go. So this is my caustic soda water. I'm going to be pouring in lemon juice into that caustic soda I dissolved. You remember the caustic soda I dissolved? So I kept it aside for it to cool down. After it has cooled down, I'll pour in my lemon juice. You know how I got that lemon juice? I extracted it from lemon. You just buy lemon fruit. One of the fruit is enough, or you can buy 2. Squeeze out the juice out of the lemon. Remove the seed. Then that's the juice I poured in directly into my caustic soda. And don't forget, that caustic soda already cooled down before I poured in the lemon juice. Do not pour in lemon juice into your caustic soda when it is very hot. It's going to react. It's going to cause a funny chemical reaction. So wait for your caustic soda solution to cool down before you pour in the lemon juice. So we have started the production of our soap. You can see I've added my caustic soda into the oil. I'm adding my fragrance. We will not need to add color in this production because turmeric will give our soap color. So there's no point adding color. Just add your fragrance. Once you are done, you pour it into your mold like this. It's very simple, you can see. So if you want to learn more on how to make things like the body soap, the body cream, the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the bleach, the Dettol, and all sorts, the organic soap, do well by checking the description of this video. You'll find a link where you can click on to join the training that goes on WhatsApp. If you have issues joining us through the link, then you simply reach me on any of these phone numbers I will display on the screen of this video. You chat me on WhatsApp on any of those phone numbers. You see these phone numbers here? Just chat me on WhatsApp. There's no point calling. Just chat me on WhatsApp to join the training group. There we teach you how to make soap like a pro, and you will learn a lot on how to make things like body cream, detergent, liquid soap, bath gel, bleach, Dettol. There's a lot you will learn. Shampoo, hair conditioner. You will learn how to make these things. And you know the aim of these things is that after you make them, you can now start up a business, because you can literally learn these things and start up a business, and before you know, you have become a business mogul in things like this. So don't forget to join the class, and don't forget to also patronize me. I have very wonderful soap making equipment which I'll be showing at the end of this video. So you can see this soap here. I'm going to keep this for 24 hours for it to properly dry. So 24 hours is enough for the soap to harden up and be taken out of the mold. So after 24 hours, this is the result of the soap. You can see how it looks like now. I'm going to be taking them out of the mold one after the other. So when you make soap like this, you have to keep soap at least for some days or weeks for the soap to properly cure. During the curing process of soap, when soap is kept to cure, it gives the soap enough time to harden up very well, and it also gives it enough time for the chemical reaction to have settled, so that the soap will feel mild on your skin. That's the purpose of keeping soap to cure. It allows the soap to harden up properly, and it also gives it time for the chemicals to settle, so that it will be mild on your skin. So you can keep it for some days or 1 week, minimum 1 week for the soap to have properly cured. So thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comments. And please, very important, don't forget to follow me. If you don't follow me, if I drop another video, you might not see it on your FYP. You might not see it on your feed, and you will miss out. I am not sure you want to miss out on very lucrative and very educative videos like this. And if you are a soap maker out there and you are looking for soap making equipment, you can purchase equipment from me. We produce and we sell, and also we distribute nationwide. We sell our equipment nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, you can purchase our soap making equipment. They are actually very affordable and very easy to use. And you need to understand that Fame Ebong is not a scammer. I am not a scammer. I am a legit businessman. So don't be scared to buy this equipment from us. We deliver nationwide, wheresoever you are in Nigeria. You can also send it to places like Cameroon and Ghana. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, you can buy equipment from us. You can see we have stuff like soap mold, soap cutters, soap stamps, soap trimmers, soap groove makers, and we have different types of soap cutters. So do well by purchasing this equipment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to like. Goodbye and have a lovely day.